Mumunyina akasimano bedu nine dumiensa na tete no nsia boy mamunyina ache ya mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie yi eso de ade hyase ye kase no nsam do so ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini ene ya make say ye cancers ahodo ya eba o mayi mu afimu no ya de a ekosoro ntin hihye ahodo bi aba ye de gu na kwan so sebe ye bebo ye ho eban ye de honsam no ebebro na fe ya bowra ye nsam foforo mu Ghana Post aye stamp sonko e de amot kokoso tumfo 82 abebi o tosumie no eno ne nsam bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube Adom TV 2 ye ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT seden 70 mu ankasa etie make say yesi afibia Ghana cancer cases ye recorded 24,000 new ones foforo kra ya number no so de adehia papa bi to na nanom nsie do na kokram no bi de kokram eto no fo mu liver cervix and afa prostate na city cancer challenge any public and private inyumakuo ya wo mo hwapom den so akabom ya ene wo mo de treatment ahodo Emma 13 project and a one more ebi laboratories a wo mbenya akade a ye de ebehwe kokram no na fe yalim de fon so ababeche apomden adwuma yefo no niam ahodo kokram to ye huna makwa no ebi ya ekoso asantemantemu na nyina no botan ne ye baako ye kode atia ye kokram to nipadua na kwa ewi akirede ye konsiedo Adom TV kase etwaso.
So 13 projects were completed, and these projects were medical oncology projects. We have the pediatric oncology project. We also have the surgery project. We also have pathology projects. We have quality of care projects. Several of these projects. We also have cancer, the cancer registry. We assisted in all these projects. So we have interventions that we have done, and under the medical oncology project, we have a essential medicine list that was produced. We also have pathology project, laboratory development plans. We have quality control programs that were produced. We have guidelines that were also produced, all for the city of Kumasi. Kumasi is a fertile ground that was ready for this intervention.
Oye workshop bia wonom ekasa fa pempen so asa adwuma wo hyase no wodi aduro ene akwansidie bia wo hia wo mu na afi eniama bia wo hwe ni mu kwan se daache wodi begu akwan mu a yebeboa apomudin mu nimdifo ene enimdifo afoforo bebre ena wonom ekohia ya wonom ekodwendwene saa ensemi ho Samuel Pine Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly Chief Executive Nensemo Oditu Dwanu yentie bi.
We haven't, because of this program, there have been early detections, and especially cancers in children, and it's amazing, and it's also worrisome because there are children that were not detected early enough. So you look at the numbers and they keep on increasing, yes. But the most important thing, and what is gladding, is that now we have the means available to take them through and treat them for some of these cancers.
Ento akasiano eso na asante hino tumfo 82 abebio ya wotoso emienu ya hino dikan ene ankrankre odikan wo main ene abibi main mu a ene yaye ne postal stamp de amano na we no eye shonkokra de mapani ya ni nyina no ejina ne mfinhie aduonu enum a wadie sasante hene na ogusu tena dwamo ene yaye BBC kama de amano Adom TV kase etwaso.
We unveiled the very first ever crypto stamp on the soil of Africa. The Otumfo Osei22 crypto stamp is a stamp that is a digital stamp artifact. With this stamp, you are able to have a non-fungible token, which is an NFT, which is activated by your NFC on your phone or your computer, and you can trade this stamp on the stamp cryptocurrency market. So several stamp collectors are interested in this product. Now, this Otumfo commemorative stamp is not just a stamp for postage, but it's also a major collector's item. I mean, stamps in its right is a major tool for telling history for generations unborn to get to know things that happened in the past, because commemorative stamps are used to commemorate people, events, and anniversaries.
Eslawusu Ekuful, Communications and Digitalization Minister, Wani Amani Buni Enkomo Chichimuno. Wachire Enfasudie Bia, Sa Stampi Ghana, Ebinye Friso.
This commemorative stamp is therefore a reflection of our national pride and identity. It serves as a reminder of the inextricable link between our traditional values and our modern aspirations, reminding us that our rich cultural heritage is the foundation upon which our nation's future is built. That is what sets us apart from all other peoples on earth and makes us uniquely Ghanaian.
Media platform ya wombuta ye nyina ne se emmabuno ya wani age nsankyerɛ ho wa bibre memu na wɔnmo ɛka nsɛm no sɛde etie a ebewie kyerɛ benya nsunsuaso pa ɛwɔ man Ghana ɛne ebibra memu no yapa ho ntoma ɛwɔ nkan edin no ɛyɛ vice versa media Ghana na wombuta ye no wɔnmo eyi nsɛm animu no afiri hɔ na afei nokora ye bɛboa ama ɔman akɔ ye nimu na nana ya boa temasi edu ya wono na wodi animu country coordinator and nsentwefo edin komo
Science vice versa media edi wonum dwuma ewo ebibiman bi mu etese Uganda Kenya na wonya asomfaso empo Netherlands de eka ho no sesei wodi wonjuma de na mabepie mu ewo Ghana hanom a wonom botae ne se woyi emabunu bi a wonom ayensemtrofo na matete wonom se de be ya wonom so obetumi ayensesaye e wonom dwumadie mu na ya aboatemase edu eye vice versa media Ghana country coordinator wani amani buni enkomotwetwe mu no wo kire wonom dwuma wodi no emu
vice versa media Ghana a not for profit media organization ya ba foforo ye chance ye free Netherlands ye rooted from the Netherlands na Netherlands no started as a magazine. Okay, we're reporting on stories from Africa. Na Edru baby, we realize it's very important say about Africa. Niyama Africans and kasa tell you almost stories. And no na vice versa era Africa. No sha say free Kenya. And na ora Uganda. Almost 3 years of Kenya and Omura Uganda. I feel the almost about West Africa because the importance of project Africa if you West Africa for also. Then we thought that Ghana was the gateway to Africa. In Tinia Mayemra Ghana near Besset up. Near Peke Ghanaian journalists Nankasa no projected the Ghanaian story and projected stories about social change. Projected stories through young voices. Stories a project and shift the mindset of how Abrofone and because stories are they be negative stories.
And this Yamanyokuo parliamentary candidate ma Upper West Achim wapoye mantemu ye Emmanuel Dra wode atoma mpani na adodanko akufo ado anim obesrew eni die ma a multi-million dollar sacks factory ya kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama esi ye wa adeso no osre wo mpegem na wo meye ni ye na egunwura no mo sei so wo ye ni ye siesi a enwuma ebebusu amamabu na Adom kase etosi
facility ya ewo ye chi a wo hunu kakre yi eye Kotoku factory ye frɛ no ewa ha ewo ye local dialect mo Kotoku factory ye nyina enim se the biggest jute factory ayabesia the amenya ntie no poni say it is the biggest in West Africa and our Upper West Achim mensimu ha adeso menewu ejina ha sisi aye kase na factory 2014 2015 mansana NDC ebefi power na yesi factory fefefe esi ha besi na menewu kase eno ane se broni fere bibi se white elephant adane a esi ha na Akufo Addo government entimi entu anamon bia wo ade we hu 8 good years ni a wo mo ba power mebu ewo kurum ha nyina eni daso ne se nka factory nko apo ba kurum ha po a nipa ebenya adwuma aye nanso so no hwe dia akosi initially no mete se ebetimi afa nipa be 2000 workers at a go but se si ampo ya eja yem papa John Dramani Mahama akofa sa 24-hour economic policy ya be die obi anim se 24 hours no obetimi akwa adwuma mprensa ewo until we are looking at over a little bit over 6,000 workers here. So, What's a project here? Is he? Me and Kazan, I am a contractor myself. This is $1 million project. Project worth millions of dollars. And you see Hassan. Now, this project we anka erani sabri nanka efa emebu anka the economic life of the people of Upper West Achim ebesisa.
Ohine ya wo achimche bi apapam ewo abuakwa south wa poyamante mo sabarima okoji aman apejo fori ordinary strato aban nanim pa se achimche bi apapam de kwa akropon tumfa ekwan nyekura no bayan so bebre wo sa kwan no so obesere nana se nkebe ya wo ma contractor mesi kwan no so nyama won se be ya no bayan akakwa ye no mu se no yen sabeka Adom kase etwaso
Obia obezo di taxi ba mekia ka o me obia obezo di taxi ba ho mehwe se de kwa de ti enzo tafrache se ekuhemu a yagu asphalt se yagu asphalt e wo body ba boy no ho a free and cry ha baby any chebi apapam hey ya go Badwam pe mo kropon mo mra me so mehwe pan this what me background my ramp you better move. I think I have 20 had the over ramp. A man of 2 mile and fun in Puma Papa. As a dam and another, if you are not or co-worker, I can't let you over. Monsieur Samsebe, or Samsebe, a papa which have become a papa Chibia road. Go for radio so mo ko he be akwan go for radio so be akwan obi oso be committee na
Tedi Safori adi eye ayensua no abaton pesa so emra hyebedwani ne kasa yemu no wode ato amanyoku ahoduo nyina ene kabiomufuo nyina enim se wonum enka wo humum na wompre asomdwie e wo men abatuo nimu
yete hei yente asa amanyoku anasa amanyosem yeti ase bushia yeti ase nua eno kire se politics amanyoku amanyonsem ebetu abushia de bushia mu otu na esombo echem politics ya foto ya fankabom ya fantiase na yenkan ne yehu se oman Ghana no eye ba kupe na eno ne eye menewo okoko tejonim na
kokromoti power meyanto asomongre mu kwa amanyonsem mu dwamtene ni de man PP amanyoku no Nkrabata wasunafo north abato mpesua so wa hafo eye free owusu Frank na wo say MPP amanyokuo no breaking the 8 ni betumi abaso a ne omo ye 2016 no on fast akwan no aso beboa Adom TV etwaso
Every year owusu Frank eye MPP amanyokuo no dwemtenani ewo asunafo north abato mpesua so ne kasa yemu wo bra wonom eda campaign team wadi ewo goso ene wachire mu se afimpinu ene dunsia abatuo ni mu no ne amanyuku no eyeye ne se menteme ho ase ya na ewa amanyuku ni mu ne manfo entemu no wosiesie ni nyina ne senti eboa yema wonum a okura dibre ene wonum a woni dibre nyina no eka wo hu bomu eye door to door campaign no eno ene boa yema afimpinu ene dunsia mu no wonum edi nkunim ewa abatuo ni mu ne senti wode ato amanyuku na chitaifo nyina ene mu se wonum pese afimpinu ne adunu nan wodi nkunim ne mum enye wano kwa se breaking the 8 dia ene na niama wo ye wa afimpinu ni dunsia mu no wo hyase edi bi ye adwuma e wa afimu se de be ya obetumi edi mu nkunim
ye hwe breaking the 8 ye da enimu ya e ya de a e ya adwumaden but mimi hu ne se nyame aye awie bibia wo di nyame start ya wutimi ekudi nkunim yo so ne hwe constituency ya na emu nyokora but ene wo dom a ewo constituency ni mu a ye ba campaign team keke kura na wo hu se constituency no emu dwoba sa issues no ye obi but ye tu ni nyina ho anamon a me as a constituency chairman mafa to me ho so a sa nkofo ni nyina no ache kura ye 1 week bia me no obi akasa obi akoma abafom me hu ne se 2016 campaign na ye no ebi ne ye no 2024
Mayento akasiano aso na philanthropist Kwadwo Boaten ayinyame so ade maami a wanyamfie duoso ensia akua twumwa ya yɛtwa ne nan no ɛne wakoye na do yɛ ama ne wheelchair ama no crutches wonye na onfa eni akoniaba Adom TV edeba
eba ne say yenya potential investor a friend no ra kwabwaten no ba ye no ena ohine a wote adwam e wokuro yim ade tu yanim say ye maame no we teacher ni na de atunu ni in fact me am etoche me etache me pa me brehoi timi hu se me nua nso atona koma so you know mwana aja me office manager efrem no ka kire me sanana de asie ni o am say boten say ade no akofa am so de nyame ase wakofa de a no se nde yeba ne be hye maame ni nkran se chia na chia na mui
Regent ene benkumhini owo adansi odumase a ono energy saa adoye ekasa ye edema maame no edi tudwa se
eye we kandifo bia ezese uhwe kuro no afichire na bonten anase o mantam na wodam no na wotimi hunu se bibi ho mo a obetimi aye edi aboa ukuro anase o manfo ewum
maminyina no so na Adom Badwam kasia no pe na harebema kwan na mede asi aseda ne yawodia emre ne adaje awode ma yenti erade mfa nkomra somdwem na mum kan ye ho sima mienu miensa ye nche ye babiem na fei de da ubok nkrata no de ba ene online stories e be phone lines no so ama obi na ye de ato aso twen sisi a enko babia eba